power of stepping back. Why everything changed when you, Sadhguru. The moment of stop, making yourself available to everyone at every time. Something inside you begin to shift. For so long, you may have been that person who answered every. The second it comes, who said even when were exhausted, who showed up for people regarding for your trait you might have. That being constantly, what a mark of kind heart, of a dependable soul. So someone were keeping around, but it really being endlessly available often makes people think you will always be there, no matter how little that a teacher them without you realizing it, that your time and energy have no limit, no boundaries, and therefore the word they need to project. When you finally pull back, when you start to guard your space like something, the world around your effect, the people who truly care about you will notice the shift. They will reach out with sincerity. They will ask if you're not just because they want to something, but because they actually care about your well-being. And it contrasts those who only ever saw you as a connecting bill being fed they want fight for your presence because they were never invested in you. They were invested how you could not. That realizing can starting, but it's also finally you, but it's something how many times of drained yourself you can consider comfortable. This video is sponsored by Dwarikadhish Electric and Power Tools, all type of spare, Changadi Road, Fatehnagar. You remember, night you decide, let helping him solve a problem. The day of yes, your plan to make time of someone who didn't value your sacrifice. You remember how often you said it's fine when inside it was not. And as a look, you realized that you weren't just giving your time. You were giving away a piece of yourself. Every when your first thought gifted teeth. What another moment you people that you content didn't matter as much as theirs. When you stop doing so, you learn something cruel about human nature. People value what they have worked for. When your time was a free-flowing tape, no cared it that wasted it, but know that it feel precious. That can't just assume you will be. There you think about when you will reach out. And in a space you create by stamping back, you find room yourself again. You remember what it feel like to have in unprepared to that. Dwarikadhish Electric and Power Tools, फतेहनगर, वार्ड 14। सभी प्रकार के फराटे, फैन, कूलर, स्पेयर, आईसीयू, ओरिएंट, पंखे, सिगड़ी, सभी प्रकार की कूलर मोटरें के होलसेल विक्रेता। पावर टूल्स, स्पेयर पार्ट्स, फ्रिज एसी पार्ट्स, बल्ब, ट्यूबलाइट एवं सब तरह के मिक्सर होलसेल रेट पर। द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिक एंड पावर टूल्स, चंगेड़ी रोड, फतेहनगर, आपकी अपनी शॉप।